it's Jenny from Ginger Ninja Crafts. How are you? I hope you're doing well, having a good day. It is Thursday the 4th of December, so it is time to pick my next little package. So I did stack them in order so I don't have to rummage. So number 4, and it's stamps. Oh, I love these. Some very cute little doggies. This is called Christmas Santa Paws and it's personal impressions, and I haven't even opened it. I think I found, it's got, I think this was a part of an eBay bundle where they had some cats and some dogs, and I got the bundle and it was a real bargain. Here comes Santa Paws. Time for Santa Paws to call, wishing you a furry happy Christmas. And then look at this wee dog in the doghouse. Santa, please call here. So cute. So I will make something with that today. I feel a bit bad about yesterday's with the otter. There was all that otter goodness and I used a tiny little bit, so I might come back to that in the month. I definitely want to do some otter birthday cards for the shop for after Christmas, so yeah, whether that gets done at the minute, it is. I'm really busy. I've got lots of orders, and I've got a craft fair on Saturday. However, I was up very early this morning because my husband had a meeting, an early meeting at his work, so he set off about 7 o'clock, so that was me wide awake from about 6:30. So the orders are posted off. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. My orders are all posted off, and yeah, I've had my breakfast, I've had my shower, I'm raring to go, so I should get lots done today. Fingers crossed. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay, so I've done some colouring. I might insert a wee clip. Maybe you've just seen that actually. I think this one I coloured in the wrong format, so I'll share this on a short, but I am going to use up some. This came with the new papers with the Simply Cards and Papercraft, and then this was in my stash. I think they go quite nicely, so I'm thinking of having a panel and a panel across the way, and the sentiment. Let me cut a strip like so. So maybe I can do that bit. Oh, not the. Do I want the full thing? I don't think so. Let me. Cut that, and then I might cut it down a little piece. And let's see, maybe something like that. I think I'll cut it down. Maybe I've cut it too much, but the genius of having a wee, you can stick a bit out there and stick a bit out there and it's fine. And I've got a sentiment, so let's put the sentiment on and then see what we're. I think I've gone with the furry happy Christmas for this one. Now this one is for friend of the family who is a very good customer to my wee shop, and she has, well, her and her husband have a black dog that's a bit like this. So a fluffy black dog. What did I do with him? Yeah. High up. Lower down. Now, yeah, okay, let me stick the red down. So yeah, I'm going to drop off some orders to her tomorrow. So if I can drop off her Christmas card to her and her hubby as well, then I will be winning at life. Right. I think it's a bit long. Do I want to have a wee flag at the bottom? Maybe I do. Ugh, that's a bit rubbish. That's a bit better. Now, I think he stands out alright because he's so dark against that little checky pattern. So I'll just glue him on the top. The other, I've done a couple more cards actually. Let's see. Now, because I've added some Nouveau there, I am just going in with the same one. I've got the red glittery one for his nose. And the gold, what's the gold called? Mustard gold. So that is one, it just needs to dry. And then I could do something similar with this. So this is the other image in that stamp set. And I'll just go for the same. I do have other bits of scraps here. Got a wee spotty, I've got a ho ho ho. I've got other little bits of these. The ho ho ho's quite cute. Maybe I could have a wee ho 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 and a bit of this one. Let me see, over under. I'm gonna actually, let me put the sentiment down first so I don't run out of space with it. Here's the ink. And this time I might stick it up at the top corner. And stick that there. And this can go on here with the ho ho ho. Stick it the whole line. I think so. I think so. I think so. You know. From that bit there. Put that wee thingy there. I've just given him the wee red nose as well. So yeah. Three there, one there. Oh. So there we go. So that is the wet one, and then this is another wet one, and then I also coloured it in a wee brown, and I did this one. This is for my friend who's got, oh no, actually I think this one is for my friend who's one of them, this one maybe, she's got a couple of dogs that sort of colour. So yeah, I've got 4 cards today. That's to make up for my slightly pathetic tiny otter card yesterday. And yes, I hope that you have enjoyed. That is day 4, so tomorrow I'll be back with day 5, and there'll be a double trouble because it's day 5 for my advent draw, but also the fancy fold card challenge. So I'm not sure whether I will amalgamate them both into the one video or post twice. Twice seems a bit crazy, but maybe that's what will happen. Okie dokie, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.